Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can animate text, images and element in Canva. So let's get started by opening your browser and then in the search bar search for canva.com. Once you search for it, log into your account. Once logged in, you want to go ahead and simply create a new design. So once you create a new design in Canva, you can go ahead and add your text, images or shape. For that, you'll need to go ahead and simply look for the option in your left hand side. Tap on text to add your text. Let's go ahead and tap a heading and let's go ahead and add our image. For that, tap on uploads, then upload your image from your computer. I have my own image right over here, so I'm going to go ahead and simply click onto it. Then right over here, you can simply set it as a background by right clicking onto it, then tap on set image as background, or you can adjust it as you like by dragging its edges. If you like to add any objects, tap on elements and inside here you can add your shapes, line, frames and many more. Now let's say you want to edit this text. For that, click onto it and at the top you will see an option that says animate. Tap onto it. Here you will then be able to find all the options. Choose the one that you prefer and then increase its intensity and animate. Once done, when you hover over it, you will then be able to find the preview of it. Let's go ahead and select roll and let's say we want to select an animation for this image as well. For that, let's go ahead and select image, tap on animate and then from here select it. So once you're done and once you're satisfied with your animation, let's go ahead and tap on preview to watch your full animated videos or image. So when you're happy with the result, go ahead and tap on share, tap on download, select your file type depending on whether you want the video smooth or looping animation. And then you want to go ahead and click on download and your Canva design will get downloaded in your computer. That's it. You have just learned how to animate text, images or elements in Canva. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.